Now, there is an application solution, the Cattle Farm Management Software Tool for Commercial and Beef Cattle Operational Management offers a solution to cattle farmers by keeping everything in one place and accessible from the palm of your hand. The CatFarming app is built and developed for use on all devices, PCs, laptops, tablets, and most Android version 4.3 Plus and iOS 8 Plus devices.
The 360 360.online cattle farm management website.